Hi everyone, I'm Atamiao. Next I will introduce to you the map data to log S4. First we set on map path package. Here I want to search for my corresponding material textual page package and the underlying objects in it. Suppose I want to search for this rock now. So I must search in the map specified name here for the specified self-mounted rock. And here I deliberately enter it incorrectly. Then we set the suffix name to search for. Then we start using the matching tool. This way it will display data in our S4 block. We can see there is an exclamation mark icon here. The exclamation mark icon means it didn't find the data. What is the reason for that? It's because I deliberately filled it in incorrectly here. So I correct the folder name path back, then match again. This way you can see it's displayed. The icons here from left to right. Its order is from the channel of S2 from top to bottom. The channel of S2 from top to bottom. So it's base color then normal roughness AL, and so on. Sometimes if we have too many scene objects, we generate the match again. We can see the data here will keep stacking up according to your scene objects. This way it will not be easy for us to observe. At this time we can use the advanced data tool to search. The advanced map data tool. Its purpose is to find the total number of files matching your specified suffix within the target folder. Here I set it to. I want to search for base color SPE. This way it will directly search in this content package for all related data with the suffix BP. We press generate. We can see it will show here. Base color has a total of 7 pieces of data with the suffix BP. This way this tool allows us to observe whether our material package is missing any data content. That's the introduction of the S4 block. Thank you.